So it comes to morning tea and I want something delicious. So I'm going to have, I could only find a little bit of fruit in my daughter's freezer, hence the berries. So there was a local lady, a local farmer selling dragon fruit. So I thought I'd buy a dragon fruit and pop it in there. They're easy to peel. So this will be a yummy morning tea. Look at the colour in that. That's just absolutely beautiful. So I'm just popping it into the glass. Geez, I'm a messy cook. Get used to me. But I'm just going to show you something different that I'm doing today. So I have a glass of dragon fruit. I've got here a yogurt ice block, which I'm just going to cut into chunks. You have to improvise with whatever you're left with. Don't cut yourself while you're doing it. They're going to go on the top. So that's my fruit and yogurt. And then to top it off, I'm using Flavourista berry sauce. Yum, yum. And all I'm going to do is probably mess my daughter's table, but who knows. You only need a little bit. It's decadent sauce, look at that. And that's morning tea. It's got berries, mixed berries in the bottom, dragon fruit, yogurt ice block, and berry sauce.